Hey, what's going on, y'all? I'm gonna install this Megan Racing Catback exhaust on Terry's car. Over there making fun of me. This catback is pretty much like a top speed exhaust. Inner diameter is roughly 2.36. It's a pretty good exhaust for a low profile. Not super loud, but still aggressive on wide open throttle. I think he's got, I'm not sure what his current setup is, but I think he currently has a custom setup, and it's actually pretty loud. So moving to this setup should be more quieter, less drone. All right, so this is Terry's current exhaust. It's actually a custom True Dual.
It still hasn't.
Okay, so we took off his True Dual, took off the hangers instead of taking it directly off of the. Took the hanger mount instead of taking it off the hanger. That made it a lot easier. So we're gonna go ahead and bolt back up the hanger mounts. Oh, that's KT. And then once the hanger mounts are back on the car, we'll put the exhaust on. So he's using a Manzo wide pipe. I don't think I've been able to kind of take a look at it, but you know, standard collector, not bad. Alright, got the white pipe on. Mid pipe is just hanging. Mufflers are on the hangers. Waiting on the clamps. So we're just all kind of chilling. Alright, so everything's on.
That shit sounds good as fuck, bro. Yeah. I can't wait to put my rotator on. I can't stand that rasp, bro. You want to record a video? Come on. Go ahead.